Are you constantly battling a mind full of noise and chaos? What if I told you the secret to a calmer, clearer mind isn't about doing more, but about embracing less? In this video, we'll unlock the surprising power of stillness to declutter your thoughts and cultivate a deep sense of inner peace. So, once upon a time, Mira wrote code for a busy startup. Her desk was neat, but her mind was not. 10 apps tugged at her every minute, messages popped like corn, her phone buzzed, her watch buzzed, and even her smart mug blinked to say the tea was cool. She tried to keep up. She opened new tabs like doors in a long hall, then ran back down the hall to close none. She felt fast, but her thoughts were scattered like birds. One night, a build failed again. The logs looked like a storm. Mira rubbed her eyes and saw a small poster on the office wall. The poster said, "Are you constantly battling a mind full of noise and chaos? What if I told you the secret to a calmer, clearer mind isn't about doing more, but about embracing less?" She snorted, but the words followed her to the elevator. Beyond the buzz, what is true stillness? The next day, on her way to work, she ducked into a repair café. An old man fixed radios and laptops. His hands were steady and slow. A tiny sign on the counter read, "Stillness repaired here." He looked up and smiled. "I am Ito. What brings you?" "My head is loud," Mira said. "I work all day and feel like I do nothing. Can you fix that?" Ito poured tea and opened a terminal on a spare laptop. Lines of text rolled by. "This is a live log," he said. "Requests, warnings, noise, watch." He tapped keys that sent fake traffic. The screen filled with data until it was a blur. "Your mind is like this when you stir it every moment." He hit one key. The stream stopped. The cursor blinked in a calm square. "Stillness is not forced inaction," he said. "It is the choice to stop sending more noise. It is an inner green light that says, 'Be here.'" Practical pathways to inner quiet. Mira frowned. "But I have sprints. I cannot sit all day." Ito nodded. "We will not add work. We will subtract friction. 3 simple tools." He held up a finger. "1 breath. Before you open a message, take 1 slow breath. In, out. Let your mind's log settle for a moment. 2nd finger. 1 minute. When stress spikes, close your eyes for 60 seconds. Set a tiny timer. Picture the cursor blinking in a quiet screen. No input. 3rd finger. 1 thing. Choose a single task. Put your phone on airplane mode, full screen. Work until done, or the timer rings. Then rest for a short pause." He handed her a metronome. Tick, tock. Rhythm keeps time healthy. Your day needs rhythm too. Work, pause, work, pause. The transformative ripple effect. Mira took the metronome back to her desk. She felt silly at first. Before each chat, 1 breath. Before the stand-up, 1 minute. For her hardest task, 1 thing. She closed every tab but 1. She told her team, "I will be heads down for 90 minutes." She pressed play on the metronome app. Tick, tock. By noon, something changed. The bug that hid for days showed its face. In the quiet, she saw a mismatch between a name and a test. She fixed it in 5 lines. Her teammate came by with a worry. Mira listened, and in the space after his words, the real issue came out. They chose a simple plan. The room felt wider. Even lunch tasted like food again, not fuel. At home, she tried her 1 minute while the pasta boiled. Her kid asked for help with homework. She put the phone away and helped, 1 thing at a time. They laughed. The day still had noise, but it no longer ran the whole show. Space returned like a clear window after rain, sustaining your serene. Space. A week later, Mira went back to Ito. It works, she said, but I forget. Of course, he said. Stillness is a practice, not a stunt. Make it part of your tools. He showed her simple cues, a tiny dot on her laptop that meant 1 breath, a daily calendar block named Quiet Minute. Begin,